I will make more video, anything about agriculture, so you can subscribe for more agriculture video. Thank you guys. Welcome back to my channel. So this is my dragon fruit farm. So this is the small flower of dragon fruit, and this is the small fruit. So we have to find the red one. Oh, this is the broken one here. Okay, so we have to find it. See, this is dragon fruit here. We have to find the big one. Okay. Oh, there's a lot of flower here. A lot of flower of dragon fruit. See, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh. This is the bad one, like this, you know. It's not gonna be okay. It's gonna fall off for a couple days. Oh, this is the good one. See? Oh, we have a lot here. So this is gonna be okay. Gonna be okay to eat maybe 2 months. See? Hi guys, what are you doing? Where is the dragon fruit? We have to take out to pick up the dragon fruit for eating at home. See? Oh, you see the banana? Hey, guy, you see the banana? Banana is already old here. Oh, see, it's banana. Okay, that's one. Can you get it? That one? Careful. Be careful. Whoa, it's hard to get it. It's hard to get that one. See? Oh, it's very good. Ooh, so yummy. So yummy, yummy, yummy. Wow. It's so hard to get it. So hard. See? Okay. Ooh, so yummy. Ooh, it's so yummy. Okay. Next, you guys will follow me. It's so fresh. I like it, this fruit. Okay. Let's find another one. See, there's a lot of dragon fruit here. It's just like a dragon fruit paradise. See, yeah. This one. Okay. Let's go find another one. Ooh. Oh, that one is broken. Eating by the bird. See, this one is bad one. Because a lot of rain around here, so they got a fungi. The fruit is like a broken fruit. See? Okay. See you in the room, and we're gonna eat the dragon fruit. So let's go.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go home. Let's go home. Okay, it's enough. Banana fruit. Okay, banana fruit. This is dragon fruit. So we gonna eat. See, it's fresh from the trees directly. So it's very very sweet. Go on. So sweet. Good. Very good. Directly from the farm. Tomorrow we try to find a fruit in the another garden, another farm. Okay.